Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about an application for improving pronunciation. It's called BoldVoice. It's available on the App Store and Google Store. There is also a website version of it. So let's start looking at the materials it provides for learners. So first, we should look at the different um, units we have. So as you can see here, we have Unit 1, Foundational Consonants, then Foundational Consonants number 2. We have Introduction to the American R, lateral and nasal consonants. We have many different topics in there. We have rhythm and intonation, public speaking, mastering fricative consonants. We have vowels, different kind of vowels, advanced skills, the suprasegmentals, and mastering challenge sounds. So these the units that provide. We have two coaches in there. Like we have Elissa and also we have another coach. So you can look at them and see what they provide. So for review, there are bunch actually of activities in there. So we have bookmarks, we have open practice, we have accent quiz, and we have karaoke. So for accent quiz, this is maybe a placement uh, a placement test to know your level when it comes to pronunciation. So if we click on it, I've done it before, so you can actually take the test again and see your pronunciation. So for example, we can record ourselves here, so tap mic to speak. The first thing The very first thing I wanted to do when I came to New York City was to see a Broadway show. When the curtain closed, we didn't want to leave. All in all, a pretty good day and a spectacular night. So as you can see, after I finished, I got 88% advanced. So that's good. Uh, so we have words to practice here, like the top word I need to practice. Very, I'm not sure here if it's the problem, maybe it's the intonation thing in there, but you can see here specific sound, and also you can watch a video
The V sound,
about that sound
v,
as you
is a
can see
voiced
here.
labiodental fricative, which means the bottom lip gently touches the top teeth as you pass voice through that space so that we can hear audible friction. Try it. Really make sure to get that upper lip out of the way, or else v can sound like a b. Another thing to keep in mind is that sometimes this sound loses its voicing at the end of the word and sounds too much like an F. So try to keep that buzz going until the sound is completed, like in love. Very good. Practice this sound a few times and then put it in the word you're practicing. Have fun.
So as you can see, there is actually an explanation for the sound with a video and just pronunciation for each sound in the word. So very there is the v sound, and then other sounds we can watch a video or just listen to the sound.
The very first thing I wanted to do when I came to New York City was to see a Broadway show.
The first thing the first thing So maybe because I stopped, that's why it's not it's indicating here that is my pronunciation. I need to improve my pronunciation when it comes to very. So that might be the reason, but you can listen actually to a native speaker pronouncing the words, and also you can listen to the recording. So here there is something, if somebody stops saying something like what they did, and this like and it seems that the program doesn't recognize that. So let's see, here we have very, and then we have the recording me. The first thing, the first thing. So it was not very. So that is something they need actually to work on. Okay, so we have also karaoke in there. So we can actually sing along with the lyrics. Choose a song, and then we need a headphone. And there is open practice also. You can get something from the internet and then put it in there. So for example, I can write, so as you can
I
see.
can the can, but the cannot can me.
Overall, I think this application is good. It provides a lot of practice. Also, there are many coaches who gives instructions how to pronounce specific sounds and words. So I really like that feature. Also, I like the evaluation part, like when you pronounce a word, and the app will evaluate your pronunciation and gives you feedback based on your pronunciation. Also, it gives you feedback on specific sounds that you don't pronounce well. So that is a really good feature in there. Um, though the app is very expensive, I guess. So it, for traditional coaching, it's 450, and if you want like to subscribe to it annually, the total cost is 750. A monthly cost is 14.99, so that's quite expensive. The app has good rating on the App Store and Google Play, as you can see here, 4.9 and 4.5. If you want like to use the website version, even you subscribed to the app using your phone, you need actually to subscribe to the website here. So you cannot log in even when you're already logged in on your phone. So that is something that I don't like about this application. Um, Other things maybe like it doesn't provide specific practice for some speakers of English, like it doesn't concentrate or focus on the P and B. It's a common problem for Arabic speakers, so I guess that the app should provide such practice for users. Also, there is an issue with the different units. So I can like practice unit 1 and 2 even if I pay for the premium version. But if you want to go like here and want to practice the advanced skills for vowels, I cannot access that because I need to get a specific score in previous units until actually I practice this unit. So this is, could be actually a drawback for advanced students. So it does provide like maybe beginning students some practice at the beginning, but if I am like advanced learners of English and I want to improve my pronunciation, I cannot do that until I finish all the previous units. So this could be boring for some students. So thank you for watching. Let me know what you think about it in the comments and see you in class. Thank you.